Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin E capsule with shampoo step by step. Start by cracking one vitamin E capsule and squeezing the oil into a small bowl. Mix the oil with 2 tablespoons of your normal shampoo until fully combined. Apply to wet hair focusing on roots. Massage gently for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse and follow with conditioner as usual. Warm and exact mixing makes a big difference, so be gentle and patient. Pour 2 tablespoons of shampoo into a clean cup, then add 1 vitamin E capsule oil. Stir or shake until the mixture looks uniform and smooth, which helps the oil suspend in the shampoo. Using too much oil makes hair heavy, so stick to the measured amount and mix fresh each time for best results and even distribution. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: I love the comfy socks seen here. Socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It's a fun little find that pairs well with self-care routines. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you, thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Apply the blend to wet hair and focus on the scalp where vitamin E benefits absorption. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes to increase blood flow and help nutrients penetrate hair follicles. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and repeat only if needed, then follow with conditioner if your hair feels dry. Use this treatment once weekly to prevent buildup and keep hair balanced without weighing it down or causing residue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.